Alright, I've got this 2006 Ford Explorer that is showing a code P0193, which is a fuel rail pressure sensor circuit high. And what this usually is, there's a little sensor right here, and that is a fuel rail pressure sensor. So, we need to replace that. First things first, take the airbox off and loosen these here and here. 8mm. Disconnect this connector, and this you disconnect by pushing right here, and it opens up. When it's on there, you push it down, pull it off. Now, tilt your airbox back, get it out of these clips back here. Pull it out with the air hose. Now, I'm going to remove this rubber air hose here, intake. I like to set everything in the order that I'll take it off. Makes it easier for reinstallation later. Now, you're going to disconnect this connector here. There's a little red tab. I'll just pull it off first. So this red tab pulls back and then allows you to push down on this connector on the inside here. And then you can just pull it off. Alright, now we have 3 8mm bolts holding on here. Another one down here. Third one down there, which I already took out. This is a 10mm, which you're going to need to use a deep socket on. I've already loosened this one. Just pop that off there. And then you got to get to this last bolt by removing this bracket. Just pull it off. Set that to the side. And you have one more 8mm, which you will need a long or a deep socket for. So this hasn't come off, just pull it off of there. This would be a good time to replace this gasket in here, this O-ring. This one on this side's all tore up. Next, make sure your wiring loom's out of the way. You're going to remove this exhaust gas recirculation connector here with a Crescent wrench and disconnect this electrical connector up top. You need to remove these hoses. one we'll just pull out from the brake booster. And this one is another one of these that you push the green tab and push it off. Those are disconnected. I found a 27mm wrench here that fits on there pretty good. So. Push down on this tab, disconnect that last connector. Now this is loose. We have 8 Torx screws, which is that one. There's one in between here, another one back here, one in the back, and then there's 4 more on this side. It'll be starting there, corresponding one in the next gap, and in the back. Well, I got the intake manifold off. I used this combination, nice wobble socket, and a T30 Torx Bit to get all those out. That last one in the back was a little bit rough, but there it is. Pull off this line here, disconnect this connector, undo these 2 bolts. Don't lose that. Twist and pull. This might have some pressure behind it. Nope. That would be a good time to replace these gaskets. They just pop out. Put new manifold gaskets in. The other thing is, clean up all this crud. Don't let anything get in those holes going to your cylinders. If you do, you need to vacuum them out real good. Clean all that up, some brake cleaner or throttle body cleaner, whatever you have laying around. Make it look real nice. Put it all back together. Thanks for watching.